Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you new exciting recipes. It's all about chocolate, and we are going to make iced chocolate, 3 different flavors. Hot chocolate is probably one of the most comforting drinks during the winter season, but in the summer months it is the perfect time for iced chocolate. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip, and we are going to make 3 different chocolate flavors. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For the ingredients, I am going to use my 100% dark chocolate. That means there is no creamer nor sugar added into this, and it is also 70% dark. You can use any chocolate powder or cocoa powder that you have available in your area. For the sweetener, I'm going to use sweetened condensed milk, and because I'd like it to be rich and creamy, I'm going to use evaporated milk, and I'm going to combine these two to make my milk syrup, which I'm going to show you later. Fresh milk. And also we're going to make milk foam, so we use fresh milk for that. And for the final drink, we're going to use white chocolate to flavor our chocolate drink. So it's going to be double chocolate macchiato. We are going to make them in 22 ounces cups, but I'm going to use this beautiful glass here to make it look tempting. So let's go ahead and start by making our milk syrup. For the milk syrup, I'm going to make use of 2/3 condensed milk and 1/3 evaporated milk. So this is the regular sweetness level. If you'd like it to be less sweet, then you can reduce the sweetened condensed milk and you add more evaporated milk, or reverse it. So here I'm going to use 100 grams of my sweetened condensed milk and add 50 ml of evaporated milk. Mix them together and we'll put this aside for later. Let's start with our first drink, which is iced dark chocolate. For this, we are going to start with 60 ml of hot water to dissolve our chocolate powder. We need 1.5 scoop of dark chocolate powder. 1 scoop is about 4 teaspoons, larger than a tablespoon. My recipe for iced dark chocolate is to use 150 ml of hot water, but this time I'm splitting the hot water into 60 ml to dissolve the powder, and then fill it to 150 milliliters with plain or room temperature water. This way you don't have to use a lot of water to dissolve your powder, which makes it harder to dissolve. Next, add 75 ml of milk syrup. This is the sweetener for the drink, and because this is a chocolate drink, it is normally preferable to make it sweeter. Now this is our dark chocolate mixture, and we are going to set this aside for later. Next, it is iced milk chocolate. For the milk chocolate, this is, as the name says, there will be more milk. So we're going to start with 60 ml of hot water. Add 1.5 scoop of dark chocolate powder or cocoa powder. Stir to dissolve the powder in the hot water. And this time, instead of using hot water to fill it to 150 ml, we are going to add milk. Bring it up to 150 ml. Add the sweetener, which is milk syrup, same amount, 75 milliliters of milk syrup. Mix them well. And we are going to set this aside for later. For our final drink, it is iced white chocolate macchiato. For the white chocolate macchiato, the same thing. We are going to dissolve the powder in 60 ml of hot water. And for this, you have the option to either make it dark, so you add more water, or make it milky, you add milk. Today, I'm going to add more water, so it's going to be dark white chocolate macchiato. Make sure the powder is fully dissolved, and then bring it up to 150 ml with room temperature water is fine because the powder is already dissolved. Add your milk syrup, 60 ml, and the flavor white chocolate syrup. Mix them well. Now let's make our milk foam. I would recommend that you use a nice bath, that you get that thick, creamy, and stable milk foam. If you are not using a nice bath, once you've made your milk foam, keep it refrigerated to stabilize the milk foam. Now let's assemble our drinks. For the first cup, fill it with ice. Pour the dark chocolate mix over, and it is not full, so I'm going to add a little bit more ice to fill it up to the top. Next to milk chocolate, this time I am filling my glass with ice and then pour the milk chocolate mixture over. And finally, for our white chocolate macchiato, fill the mixture over ice and then top it up with milk foam. Garnish with optional chocolate sauce on top, and you have your white chocolate macchiato. 3 special chocolate drinks: white chocolate macchiato, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate. Normally I prefer my chocolate dark, but sometimes I also like milk chocolate, so let's find out which one is better today. That is absolutely delicious. You must give this a try. Okay, and this one is milk chocolate, so the color is lighter. More milk. Wow. Today, my preference is milk chocolate. Now what about the white chocolate macchiato? You can also make the other drinks with a milk foam on top if you'd like it to be a little bit more premium. Delicious. Now the difference between the dark chocolate, that means more water than milk, is that they are more refreshing, whereas the one with the milk makes it more satisfying, more filling, and of course more delicious. For some reason I prefer my milk chocolate today, but it's really up to your customers. You can offer dark chocolate, you can offer milk chocolate, or you can offer flavored chocolate. The recipes today, including those for 12 ounces and 16 ounces, are in my book, All Things Milk Tea, so be sure to check it out. Details on how to order in the description box below. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll see you again for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.